Today we will explore the best Ichimoku cloud trading strategy proven by 100 trades in this video by this guy. नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to Akash Dayar channel. So in this video, here is what we will do. We will review the performance report of this 100 proven trades. Strategy conditions and rules देखेंगे, मतलब कि एंट्री कब लेनी है, प्रॉफिट लॉस कब बुक करना है. Then we will create a code for generating buy and sell signals in TradingView using PineScript. We will automate this strategy in MT4 or MT5 compatible with all types of brokers. First and main thing, let's talk about the performance of this strategy. Backtesting is very important for success in trading because मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. This expert conducted a backtest of 100 trades over a period of 19 months and the result was 56% gain on the account. According to his report, the first question that arises is about the strategy accuracy. In his video, he demonstrates a 52% accuracy rate. The risk reward ratio is excellent with 1:2 ratio. Now, let's dive into the strategy rules. The chart time frame is 1 hour and is tested on the Euro USD currency pair. ये strategy उन लोगों के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है जिनके पास बहुत टाइम नहीं है, because you do not need to sit in front of the screen. This strategy relies solely on the Ichimoku cloud indicator. All entry and exit rules are based on this indicator, making it a simple strategy. For a long entry, there are 4 rules. The cloud must be green, candles must be closed outside the cloud, the lagging span must be above the clouds, the conversion line must be above the baseline, the stop loss will be placed below the baseline or the swing low. अगर आप ट्रेडिंग में अपना स्टॉप लॉस सही जगह पे नहीं लगा रहे तो आप ट्रेडिंग अपने लिए नहीं दूसरों के लिए ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. And the take profit is set at 2 times the stop loss. For a short entry, the clouds must be red, candles must be closed below the cloud, the lagging span must be below the clouds, the conversion line must be below the baseline, the stop loss is set at the baseline or the swing high, and the take profit is 2 times the stop loss, maintaining a 1:2 risk reward ratio. Now that we have covered all the strategy rules, let's move on to automation. We will start by creating a signal generating indicator in TradingView for these strategy rules. Firstly, we will add Ichimoku cloud indicator to our script. Next, we will create the conditions for a long signal. Check if the cloud is a green. Ensure that the candle is above the cloud. Confirm that the lagging span is above the cloud. Finally, verify that conversion line is above the baseline. With these conditions met, our long signal is now complete. Next, we will establish conditions for a sell signal. We will also create a variables for the stop loss and take profit. I have decided to use the baseline as the stop loss because using the swing low would make the video longer. Set the take profit at 2 times the stop loss when generating signal. Finally, we will display the signals on the chart for buy and sell signals, along with buy, stop loss or take profit, and sell take profit or stop loss. हम यहाँ पे अलर्ट भी तैयार कर लेंगे ताकि ऑटोमेशन कर सके। तो चलिए चार्ट पे जाके देखते हैं कि हमारा इंडिकेटर ठीक से काम कर रहा है या नहीं। इफ यू ऑब्जर्व द बाय सिग्नल इज डिस्प्लेइंग करेक्टली विथ ऑल कंडीशंस एंड रूल्स मेट। द क्लाउड इज ग्रीन, द कैंडल इज अबव द क्लाउड, द लैगिंग स्पैन इज अबव द क्लाउड एंड द कन्वर्जन लाइन कंडीशन इज ऑल्सो सेटिस्फाइड। और इसका स्टॉप लॉस भी करेक्ट हिट हुआ है। सो द बाय सिग्नल इज एक्यूरेट एंड वी विल वेरीफाई द सेल सिग्नल। द सेल सिग्नल हैज appeared with the red cloud, candle below the cloud, lagging span below the cloud and the conversion line below the baseline। और यहाँ पे SL के अकॉर्डिंग टीपी भी करेक्ट हिट हुआ है। तो हमारा बनाया हुआ इंडिकेटर परफेक्टली काम कर रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन स्ट्रेटेजी रूल्स। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू ऑटोमेट आवर ट्रेडिंग इन द फॉरेक्स मार्केट। वी विल यूज पाइन कनेक्टर फॉर ऑटोमेशन compatible with MT4 and MT5. For more details on these, you can find another detailed video on our channel. First, download the Pine Connector EA according to your MT4 or MT5 requirements. Set your license ID from your Pine Connector account and configure the setting as needed. Now, let's set up alerts for Pine Connector syntax, asyntax. आप Pine Connector के वेबसाइट से ले सकते हो। We will create an alert to buy 0.5 lot of Euro USD when a buy signal is generated and paste the Pine Connector webhook in the alert. We will exit the buy position when the stop loss or take profit is hit with corresponding alerts for those conditions. Sell के लिए भी हम यही प्रोसेस फॉलो करेंगे। If you prefer to execute quantity based on risk on capital instead of lot size, आपको just MT4 में Pine Connector के EA में कॉन्फ़िगर करना है। With our setup complete, it's time to test. The automation will take trades and close them as soon as signal is generated। मैं यहाँ पे छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे रन करता हूँ, so it will generate signal quickly, which allows me to demonstrate live trading in the video। But आपको 1 hour पे ही चलाना पड़ेगा according to strategy of this guy। You can use a VPS to keep your MT4 running without the need to keep your computer on or laptop on continuously। और अगर आपको ये इंडिकेटर स्क्रिप्ट फ्री में चाहिए, then you will find the code in the description। अगला लाइव या फिर बैक टेस्टिंग वीडियो किस पर बनाऊं, राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। ये बात याद रखना, बिफोर यू इन्वेस्ट इन समथिंग, इन्वेस्ट इन टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड इट। इफ यू वांट टू create your own trading algo or backtest your strategy, feel free to contact us using the provided number। If you found this video helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing and clicking the notification bell। तो फिलहाल अभी तो चलते हैं। Stay tuned, stay happy and enjoy trading।